Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy JRE. Hold up. So if you watch my end mix video, I accidentally forgot that I muted my mic during the beginning and end, and that's why there's no audio. I just want to let you know I fixed it and I actually could talk now. My bad. But right now we're about to check out Bobby's Drowning. I already checked Cherry Blossom like on my own time, but I wanted to actually do a reaction to Bob because he the homie. Actually, I don't know if we're homies. But yeah, shout out to Bobby. But this one's called Drowning. Bobby's back. I'm excited. I know he developed into a not even just a rapper. The man is singing and everything, so you know, respect to him. And I don't know. I mean, Cherry Blossom was more of like a, I feel like it's more of his softer side, no? Like he was singing. But I don't know what to expect for Drowning. Again, guys, like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy JRE, and without further ado, play my intro. Alright. Bobby, Drowning. Let's get it, let's go. Let's begin. Got captions on. What are we drowning? Don't be drowning. That's one of my biggest fears, is drowning. Sir! Is there no music? Or are we just being silent in the beginning? Baby, won't you ride? Go to downtown, then I can take around and Ooh, hold up. Let me start in the beginning again. Where is he? Baby, won't you ride? Great start. Hey. Let me drown. Ooh. Got that fat ass. Hey, that's our father right there. Literally, y'all can call him daddy if you want to, because he really is. Oh shit, what's happening? He looks so sus right there. He's like, what's over there? Wait, what is it? Oh no. It's a compass, huh? It's a compass to your body? Ooh. Oh, what he wearing? Ooh. Okay. Oh, I'll mess with this. Oh. Wait, who this? Okay. Miss Ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Oh shit. Yo, shout out. Shout out to the homies. Oh nah. Ooh, I like the production of this already. Oh no, I love that part. What the hell is that? A fire lightsaber? A firebender? I'm drowning in your love. Ooh, he really in the water this time. Come on, girl, I'll tell you why. So you catch your way you cock up the bomb, so dump a knee. Come get to know me. Hey. Come on, boy, tell you why. Search you catch your desire. Ooh. I know you want me bad as I want you. Come get to know me. Baby, won't you ride? To the downtown, then I can take you. This is a mother effing vibe. Oh man, I miss Bobby though. I'm not gonna lie. Glad he's back. Ooh. Is it done? That was a groove. Holy crap. What happened here? Oh, he dead? Oh, he drowned. Everybody drowned? Did you kill everybody with fire? Now, I know this is a meaning. This whole headpiece and everything. Is there a meaning between this? Because I need to know. Oh, Sol. Is it Sole? Sol? I never knew how to pronounce her name, but she always had a great voice. I mean, I feel like the only thing that I have a complaint about that it just ended up abruptly and it just like left me. That's about it. But overall, I really groove with that. I like the feature too. Alright, y'all. Put a comment down below what you guys think of Bobby's Drowning. That sounds so wrong. I'm so sorry. But the song Drowning, it's a mother effing groove. It's something I would just play in the car and just like vibe to while just going on like a road trip or something like that, or just like walking down to your next destination or doing errands. Put a comment down below what you guys think. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy JRE from Dre Gaming. Dre Gaming's my Twitch, by the way. Go follow that. But keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. You have a dream out there, put some hard work to it. It might just come true. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh, follow the Discord. Link in the description.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.